Hello everybody, I am Triveni Suresh Babu, the Senior Trainer of Skills Zenith Consulting. Today let us discuss about the solutions to textbook exercises, Karnataka State Syllabus, Class 10th SSLC Social Science, History, Lesson number 6, that is the first war of Indian Independence 1857. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers. The mutiny of 1857 was called as the Sepoy Mutiny by the British historians. Second one, the policy implemented by Dalhousie is doctrine of lapse. During the mutiny of 1857, Mangal Pandey killed a British officer. Jhansi Rani took over Gwalior from the British during her war against them. Discuss in groups and answer the following questions. First question, what were the results of doctrine of lapse? Discussed. The results of doctrine of lapse were many Indian kings had to lose their kingdoms. As a result of this policy, Satara, Jaipur, Jhansi, Udaipur, and many other states became part of the British Empire. Dalhousie abolished the kingships of Tanjavur and Carnatic Nawabs. The British dethroned Mughal kings and many other kings. As a result, many soldiers depended on these kings became unemployed. This became the main reason for the protest against the British. How did the economic policies result in the mutiny of 1857? Explain. Due to the development of industrialization in England, the Indian handicrafts and industries diminished. England, apart from being an industrialized country, became a workshop of industries. The artisans of India became unemployed. The weavers became the first victims as wool and cloth making industries suffered a lot. The Indian handicrafts became financially pathetic. The British levied high customs on Indian goods entering the market of England. Due to zamindari system, the farmers were exploited by zamindars. Land tax collection rights awarded to talukdars were withdrawn. By forming Inam commissions, Inam lands were also withdrawn. As a result, the farmers had to undergo a lot of economic hardships and felt insulted. Hence, the farmers also protested all these. What were the issues that outraged the religious feelings of the soldiers? The British started providing Royal Enfield guns, a type of new and improved guns. A rumor spread that the bullets of these guns were smeared in the fat of pig and cow. The cow was sacred for Hindus and the pig was prohibited for Muslims. This became the immediate cause for the mutiny. The rumor caused a lot of unrest in Barakpur military soldiers. When the soldiers were directed to load the bullets to the gun by chewing off a part of bullet, the soldiers refused to do it. What were the immediate causes of First War of Indian Independence? Indian soldiers who were present in large numbers in the British Army believed that they can drive away the British if all of them become united. In this situation, the British started providing Royal Enfield guns, a type of new and improved guns. A rumor spread that the bullets of these guns were smeared in the fat of pig and cow. The cow was sacred for Hindus and the pig was prohibited for Muslims. This became the immediate cause for the mutiny. This rumor caused a lot of unrest in Barakpur military soldiers. When the soldiers were directed to load the bullets to the gun by chewing off a part of bullet, the soldiers refused to do it. The soldiers of Barakpur revolted against the British officers. A soldier named Mangal Pandey shot dead a British officer. Mangal Pandey was arrested and after a trial he was hanged to death. These were the immediate causes of First War of Independence. List out the reasons that led to the failure of the mutiny. The First War of Indian Independence failed due to various reasons. It did not cover every part of India. It was mainly concentrated on the issues of the rights of kings and queens rather than liberation of the country. As it was not a planned mutiny, there were many unexpected results. The unity among the British and the disunity among the Indian soldiers resulted in its failure. The mutiny lacked direction and leadership. The soldiers also lacked discipline and organizing skills. The freedom fighters lacked a definite aim. Many of the Indian kings extended their loyalties to the British and did not support the freedom fighters. The plundering and other crimes committed by the sepoys made them to lose the faith of common people. What were the main aspects in the declaration of the British Queen? The Queen of Britain passed a declaration in 1858. It had the following aspects. The agreements entered by the company with the local kings were accepted. Non-pursuance of regional expansion, providing a stable government for Indians, equality before the law, non-interference of the government in religious issues of Indians and practicing religious tolerance. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have understood all the textbook exercises. Please watch, like, share and comment on all our videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Contact us on the given number for live coaching. Thank you.